Hey everyone, Abby
and Emily here,
and we are at the Arlington and we were at the Arlington Mansion for Marlo's wedding.
Yes.
And we did the whole setup, and we're gonna take you through the venue. But before we got here,
We had to do a lot.
we had to do a lot. So we're gonna take you there now.
Yeah.
Hey everyone, Abby
And Emily here.
and today we are on site for one of our influencer weddings. We don't typically do this, but we're pulling a favor for Marlo. So we're at the venue right now. It's raining.
The U-Haul.
But it's fine, yeah, the U-Haul's with us. The rain should clear up, but also the beauty of silk, because the flowers are okay.
Yes.
They won't wilt, they don't need water. So we're gonna set it up inside, and then when the rain clears, we'll just be able to place everything.
Yep.
So we're gonna take you through the house, take you with us to set up, and just follow along. Have welcome party.
I have a pimple patch on.
The bride and the mother of the bride.
We're ready.
And the maid of honor's here. So excited. Alright, here's the inside. Everything's getting ready.
I'm sorry, y'all.
No, it's okay. I think the cake table is gonna be in here somewhere.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, let me take you on. This is the main event outdoor. Really hope it stops raining, but look how pretty.
It will. It's gonna stop.
It will stop. It will stop. We just need to manifest it. I'm gonna take them around the tent. Okay, so this is the garden. Really so pretty. We're at the Arlington Mansion in Franklin. So many little cute coves. Like, look at that. So pretty. The tent. That is our chandelier. But she's a little crooked. And she will be fixed soon. Y'all don't know the stress this put us through. This little guy. But we love her.
Okay.
Alright, so Marlo had 27 boxes total. Very, very large order.
Large.
That's not normal.
No.
But, I mean, for some people it is normal. And she wants some baby's breath put in throughout the throughout the arrangements. So you're also gonna see how we do that. You're gonna 3 different table designs. Church install, rain permitting, 3 different table designs, cake table. She wants some hedge, flowers on the hedge.
All things pink, green, and white, which are her wedding colors. So she's doing the Jane collection with the pink cherry blossom. And
gonna look good.
Yeah, we're
Stay
excited.
tuned.
Yeah, I'm excited to see it.
Good.
If you didn't know, all of our boxes come with a item list on each side of the box. So, yeah. So you'll see what is in each box, which makes it easy if you're doing different locations. And you need certain things for different locations, so you can just put that box where it needs to go. And then I've also seen some people write on the top of the boxes, which could really help too. Just so it's easier to see.
Especially if
You're not the one.
yeah. And then you have someone helping you. Alright, so our tip is to just unbox everything first. We highly recommend doing your, so our products do go through 3 rounds of quality checks before they're sent out to you, but we always encourage customers to do their own quality check because transit is rough and things may get shaken up, and so if anything arrives to you damaged, you can just email us very quickly. We can overnight some new items and make it right. Also, if you're wondering how many boxes you will receive, shoot us an email also, and we can give you a good estimate, because you will, like if it is a larger order, sometimes you might have to make multiple trips, maybe a U-Haul is necessary. We did a U-Haul.
We should own a U-Haul at this point.
We need our Blooms van.
Lauren, if you're watching this,
get us a van.
Get us a van. Waken. Okay, so that blue box that I was just unpacking, that is the main box. That has all of your return labels,
Return instructions.
and
date.
yeah, all of your information is in that blue box. So it usually is box 1 out of however many. And usually, in Marlo's case, it has all of her bridesmaids, because we have her bridal bouquet in a separate box. But it's usually all the small
They're gonna probably start moving that water and ice and stuff out the way.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So yeah, when in doubt, look for the blue
One
box.
ice chest inside.
We should get a buddy.
Yeah.
Abby's my dedicated buddy, but if you don't have a dedicated one, it's okay, just find a buddy.
Breakdown's a little easier than the setup.
Yeah.
So if that helps. But I know the breakdown is one of the more like shorter time periods you have to get
Everything done.
all the Garland boxes. Here are all the centerpieces, stands. Still rain. So the bride found baby's breath just wherever she could. So that's what we're doing now. Unwrapping all of the baby's breath. And just getting it ready, prepping it.
Look how much.
So much baby's breath.
Let me pretend it's a bouquet.
Golly. But it looks really pretty, like a cloud.
It's smelly.
We allocated 3 baby's breath stems to 1 bouquet. Okay.
Cheers.
And add baby's breath to them. So that's what I'm gonna do.
Okay, Abby. We are almost done with everything. We are done.
We are done. We're almost done our night though. We got a breakdown. Well, we got a party. We're gonna have We're gonna have party.
We're gonna have party time.
We're gonna celebrate Marlo, and then we'll take it all down. All right, beautiful Arlington Mansion.
Should I take them in?
Yeah. It's MTV. First we have the cake table. Gotta get the shot.
You gotta be Olivia.
Marlo, look.
I mean, I know.
So tired of searching. I'm so glad you found me in town.
And the bride. It was amazing, right? Tears of just joy. Blood, sweat, and tears. She's happy, thank God.